Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all good. In today's video I have a BTArt Box nails Christmas gift box unboxing. So we're going to be taking a look at what comes inside this year's BTArt Box Christmas box. Last year's box was absolutely amazing, so I was really excited to see this year's. And before we get into the video, I also want to mention that BTArt Box also have a Black Friday sale on right now, so you can currently get 15% off the box. I do also have a discount code which I will leave in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. But let's jump inside and take a look at what comes in the Christmas box. Now this is fully customizable when it comes to the nail designs, but I wanted to mention how beautiful the packaging is. If you was giving this to somebody as a Christmas gift, I would be blown away by the attention to detail that has gone into the packaging. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's very Christmassy, but I love that they've gone for blue and gold rather than the classic red and green. Now inside, once you open the box, you get 3 drawers full of goodies, and as I said, the nails are customizable, so when you go on to the website you can pick the shapes and sizes and designs that you want. I will talk about that a little bit more when we take a closer look at each of the drawers, but just on first impressions of opening the box, I really loved this. I love that you could store everything in this, so if you was buying this as a gift for somebody who maybe is just getting into nails or likes using the BTArt Box tips, it's great that you can keep everything together, kind of like a little on-the-go kit. So in the first box you get your gel products and your UV light and a file, so you get everything you need in this. It's a full kit. So let's take a look. First of all, we have their gel glue. So this is what you would use to apply the tips to your nails. This would be if you're applying the Xcoat tips, which are in the bottom drawer of this kit. This kind of has a very similar consistency to Build Gel, but I would say it's a little bit thinner than Build Gel. It applies the nails so easy. I love the consistency of this because it means you don't have to faff about too much when it comes to getting the nails onto your natural nails. So it's great for anybody who is doing their own nails or just getting into doing nails. Then you have the Xcoat Tips Builder Gel. So now the Builder Gel is designed to go over the top of your press-on nails, and this basically reinforces the strength of them. I get a good solid 3 weeks wear minimum when I'm wearing the BTArt Box Xcoat Tips with the Builder Gel, and I love that it gives them a very sculpted gel feel. I feel as though I'm wearing either a acrylic set or an actual gel set of nails. It does not give off a press-on nail finish at all, which I really love. It's very much like getting your nails done but doing them yourself. And then you do also get the Xcoat Tip Top Coat, which is a thinner consistency gel to the Builder Gel, and it gives a beautiful high shine, no wipe finish. So you come in, apply this over the top of the Builder Gel, and that's it. Your nails are done and look incredibly shiny. I really love this top coat. If you've watched my channel, you'll know that I've got lots of videos up using the BTArt Box nails. I do believe there's a full playlist, so if you want to check that out and see how I apply them, you will see these products come up regular. In this kit you do also get a UV LED nail lamp. This is the upgraded version to the version that I already have. It's slightly different in the button placement, which I think is brilliant, and this one does also give you a 60-second cure as well as a 120-second cure as well, so you can use this to fully apply your nails. You do not need any bigger professional LED lamp. You can simply use this one. In previous videos you would see that I say I flash cure in this, and that's because I had the older version of the lamp. So I used to flash cure and then put my nails in my main lamp for a full 60-second cure, but you don't need to do this now. This lamp does it all. So it comes with the wire, and as you can see they've moved the button, so the button is now on the top of the lamp rather than inside the lamp, which I think is a lot easier. You can see there is your LED lights, and at the back you've got the connector for your wire, so all you need is a USB plug. And I love that this fits so easily back in the box. I love anything that when it's packaged, you can put it back really easy, because like I said, if you're buying this as a present for someone, it's really nice that it comes as an entire kit that they can keep everything in. You do also get a 100/180 grit file. I would use the 180 grit side for prepping the nails before applying your gel products, just giving them a very light, gentle buff to remove the shine. Really enhances how long your gel nails are going to last. And then the 100 grit side is great if you want to make any tweaks to the nails once you've applied them. Maybe you want to shorten them a little bit or change the shape. Let's move on and take a look what's in the second drawer. So in the second drawer, you get 4 boxes of their reusable press-on gel nails. These you apply either with nail glue or sticky tabs, which are included in the box. So each of these boxes comes as a whole entire little kit, which we will take a look at. And as I mentioned, the box is fully customizable. So when you go on the website to purchase these, you can pick what nails you want. So you can pick the length and the design, which I find amazing, because everyone's got different style. Some people prefer shorter nails, some want medium, and some want long. So it's great that there is those options available. So as I said, these come as individual kits. So each one comes with all of these, which is amazing. You get your alcohol wipes for wiping and prepping the nails, and then you get your nail glue, which you can use to apply your tips, or as I said, you also get the tabs as well, which I do show you further along in the video, because I didn't actually realize they were in there when I was first filming. So then each of the designs that you choose get 30 tips. So this is brilliant, because I know some people have quite large nail beds and then some people have quite small ones, so there is a huge variety there. So you should easily have enough tips to fit all of your nails. Seeing as you get 30, you should have some left over as well, so it's great. And then like I said, they are reusable as well, so if you apply them using these little sticky tabs, which do last really well, which is quite good, then you can pop them off and apply them again. They also come with some instructions. So again, if you're new or if you're buying this for someone who's just getting into nails, there's some really handy tips and tricks on application in the little instruction leaflet as well. So this first design was a really pretty glazed ombre look, and they are very trendy right now. Everyone loves a glazed finish, so I really loved those. These ones are super fun. These have red glitter Frenchies, and then you've got some crystal cherries, which is really cute as well. And the crystals are very well stuck on, so you're not going to have any worries about them chipping off when you're wearing them. I've used a lot of these style press-on nail tips on my daughter. She's 14 and she absolutely loves the BTArt Box designed tips. She's down to applying these herself now, but when we first started off doing her nails, I would use these a lot on her own nails, and one of the things that she mentioned was she loved how well the nail art lasted on them. You never got any chipping of the 3D effects or the crystals, and I love the thickness of these as well. They're not super thin like the regular press-on nails that you find in the shops. They have a really nice solid thickness to them, so again, they feel very similar to wearing either a gel or acrylic set of nails. They feel very strong and hardy on the nails. These don't need any top coating or anything like that. They are fully designed, so they are just simply press on and go, which is great if you're wanting to change up your nails or if you're in a hurry for doing them. This particular design was my favorite of the 4. I really love this deep dark burgundy shade for Christmas and winter, but I especially loved this design because I love a matte and glossy combo. So these have the matte base and then the glossy French tip, which again, I think that the design is very on trend, and I feel as though this particular look looks really great on this short/medium. I do believe these are the short side. I think if you look on the website, they'll tell you, but there's extra small, medium and large depending on the tips that you buy. I do believe these are short, so they are really nice, and they have that really gorgeous square shape to them, but they're not super sharp, so they're great for everyday wear. Really can't wait to get a set of these on myself. Then the final pack we have in this second drawer are these gorgeous 3D chrome design. So they have a really pretty it's still got that, it's kind of got like an ombre look underneath from a peachy nude to a darker nude, but then you have these beautiful 3D chrome elements over the top. Again, a super trendy look right now. This is something else I really love about BTArt Box. They really keep up with the nail trends. So they have lots of classics available, for example, like a French or an ombre, but then they have lots of trendy designs, and they're always adding more designs to their website as well. So I really loved these. They have 2 designs in the pack. So one of them is a 3D gold swirl, and then you have some 3D gold bows as well, so you can really mix and match up your look. How gorgeous does this look? And it's not too thick or not too raised. I know sometimes it can feel a little bit annoying having 3D nail art on your nails, but these have been done to a really high standard, so it's not too, it's more like an embossed effect. So I really love these. These are another set that I can't wait to get on my nails. In the next video, I will be showing you guys doing a set using the Xcoat tips, which is in the 3rd drawer at the bottom of this kit. But I do also want to show you guys a set using their press-ons, as I don't think I've done that in a video before, because I do tend to favor the Xcoat tips over the press-on ones. But I definitely will. I've got a video already recorded using the Xcoat tips, which are here now, but I will do another video showing you guys the press-on nail tips as well, because they are super friendly, beginner friendly or on the go friendly. So Xcoat tips, you would have seen these featured on my channel loads. This year, this is predominantly what I have worn on my nails. I used to be a huge acrylic lover or a long sculpted gel set of nails, but I just don't have the time these days to keep doing those sets of nails. And then that's where these fit in beautifully for my lifestyle. I can have a set of nails that look as though they've been professionally done, but they are so much quicker to do. So I highly recommend these for doing your own nails. They're great for as well if you struggle doing your non-dominant hand. So it's always hard for me. I'm right-handed, so when it comes to doing my right hand and having to use my left hand, I've always struggled, no matter how much I've practiced, especially with acrylics. These make it so much easy. These are just really easy to apply using your non-dominant hand, because you can apply the gel into the tips using your dominant hand and then switch over when it comes to application. And then because of how the consistency of the gel is, they just stick down with minimal faff, so it's just really quick and really easy. Like I said, I've got a whole playlist applying these tips, and I have raved about them so much for well over 18 months now that I've been using them. I always get so many compliments when I have these done on my nails, or so many times people ask me, where did you get your nails done? And I just usually either give them the Amazon link for BTArt Box or the link to the website, because they're so user friendly for doing your own nails. So here we have the first kit. This is the pastel square, and I think again these are the short length, and they are available in extra short, short, medium or large or long, sorry. And you get 150 of these nails in each pack, which is crazy. These last me for ages. And then again, look at the sizes. They go from being really teeny tiny to quite large. So if you've got larger thumbnails especially, then I would definitely give these a go. Maybe if previous press-on nails haven't fitted you before, I definitely would check these out. My nail beds are more on the smaller side, so I tend to use the more smaller size of these. Same for my daughter as well, and where she's only 14, her nail beds are teeny tiny, and we've struggled usually to find small tips, and yet these fit her perfectly. So they're great. They've got that really good variety available for all lengths of nails. So then next up we have the red pastel, and these are in the almond shape. Now almond is my absolute favorite. This is probably what you would see me use most on my channel when I'm buying these myself. So these come in, again, you get 150, and these are the short size as well. Now these are 5 different shades of red, and they are super pretty. So this one here is quite a bright red. Now in the previous pack, so I think we were talking about other stuff, it was more like neutral colors. This is just a red kit. This one is more of a browny red, kind of like a, It's got a hint of burgundy to it, but it is quite dark and on the brown side. I really love these though, and I think they would look really pretty with some gold Christmas stamping over the top. And then here we have more of an orange toned red. So I really love this kit because if you love red nails, it's nice to have a variety of different reds. The other thing that's great about these tips is I love applying nail art over the top of them, whether it be some decals, some stamping, even a little bit of hand painting. So you can apply that directly over the tips, and then you can come in and apply your builder gel on top coat, or you can do your builder gel first, then do your nail art and then your top coat. But either way, your nail art is sealed in as well as the tips thanks to having that builder gel option. And then lastly here we have a really nice classic red, which is going to be perfect for Christmas. But I love that there's the variety there, because if you was purchasing this for someone as a Christmas present, it's not too Christmassy, if you know what I mean. The designs aren't just Christmas orientated. So as you can see there, you get a huge amount of products for the price, and this is currently on offer, like I said, in their Black Friday sale. I'm really tempted to buy another one of these for my daughter because I know she will be nicking a lot of these, so I might just purchase her own because I think it makes a really good Christmas present. Now I do have a video, like I said, coming up, so do hit that subscription button if you want to see some of these products in action, and do go over to the BTArt Box website and have a quick look at this because I think you will love it. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscription button, and I shall see you all again in the next one. Lots of love, take care, bye bye.